Good morning students. Now today we will study perpendicular lines, that is exercise 11.3. Okay, so 11.2 I have already explained. If any problem you can ask me. Now we will study 11.3 perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular line means what? Suppose this is A and B, this is the line A and B, and this is another line which is known as C and D. Okay, we can say that line AB is perpendicular to line CD. Why? Because they both have making 90-degree angles. Okay, perpendicular means 90-degree angle. Perpendicular means 90-degree angle. Two straight lines are called perpendicular if they intersect at right angle. Okay, if they intersect at right angle, that means AB is intersecting CD at right angles is known as perpendicular line. I have already told you that the L shape, okay, L shape denotes what? Right angle in geometry. L shape, that is this L shape denotes 90-degree in the geometry. Okay, so these are known as perpendicular lines when two line AB and CD intersect at right angle. जैसे हमने क्या किया, एक लाइन ए बी बना ली, एक लाइन सी डी ड्रॉ कर ली. अगर ए बी सी डी को 90 डिग्री पे इंटरसेक्ट करता है, इंटरसेक्ट माने काटता है 90 डिग्री पे, तो ए बी सी डी के परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. ए बी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी डी, ए बी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी डी. ओके, सो दिस साइन इज फॉर परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, नाउ सी हियर, दिस साइन डिनोट्स व्हाट? परपेंडिकुलर. परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, इस साइन का मतलब क्या है? परपेंडिकुलर. ठीक है, कैसे बनाते हैं? एक हमने ये खींचा डंडी, एक ऊपर ये लगा दिया और इसके ऊपर आर लिख दो, परपेंडिकुलर. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये परपेंडिकुलर. ओके, सो दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर. ए बी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू सी डी. दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर लाइन. ओके, व्हेन अ लाइन इंटरसेक्ट अनदर लाइन एट 90 डिग्री, वी विल से दैट द लाइन इज perpendicular to each other. Okay, then perpendicular bisector. Okay, then perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular lines and perpendicular bisector both have same diagrams. Okay, but there is a little bit difference between them. Okay, I will explain you. Perpendicular bisector. Okay, perpendicular bisector. Okay, now see here again we will have same diagram. AB is intersecting CD at 90 degree. Okay, but when we will call it as perpendicular bisector, क्योंकि ये तो perpendicular line है, AB CD के perpendicular पड़ रहा है, तो ये perpendicular line. But when we will call that line is perpendicular bisector, if suppose if AB intersect CD in two equal parts, then we will say that that AB is perpendicular bisector to CD. Then we will say that AB is perpendicular bisector to CD. That means what? If AB bisect CD in two equal parts, then we will say that AB is perpendicular bisector to CD. Okay, CO will be equals to OD. Okay, CO will be equal to OD. This is the essential condition. Okay, this is the essential condition for the perpendicular bisector. Okay, CO will be equals to OD. That means what? If CO is of 5 centimeter, if CO is of 5 centimeter, then OD must be 5 centimeter. Then OD must be of 5 सेंटीमीटर. अगर CO 5 सेंटीमीटर है तो OD भी 5 सेंटीमीटर होना ही चाहिए. ठीक है, देन वी विल से दैट दिस मीन्स व्हाट? दैट CO इज इक्वल्स टू OD. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि अगर CO 5 तो OD भी 5. तो अगर AB ऐसी जगह ऐसे CD को ऐसे पॉइंट से कट कर रही है कि दो इक्वल पार्ट में टूट जाएं, CD दो इक्वल पार्ट में टूट जाए, तब हम बोल सकते हैं कि AB is a perpendicular bisector bisector to CD. Then AB is perpendicular bisector to CD. Okay, so these are the two terms which is explained in exercise 11.3. 11.3 is very small exercise, only it is explaining about perpendicular line and perpendicular bisector. What is the difference between perpendicular line and perpendicular bisector? I have explained you. Okay, I have made very clear when we will call the line perpendicular line and when we will call it as perpendicular bisector. So again I am repeating that when two lines intersect each other at right angle, then those lines are called perpendicular lines. Only this much is for perpendicular line. But for perpendicular bisector, when a line intersect another line at right angle and also bisecting it, bisecting means what? Dividing it into two equal parts, then that line is perpendicular bisector to another line. Okay, so this is for exercise 11.3. now very small exercise, you do exercise 11.3 and if any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.